with hidden surprises, dimensionality, and focus on a single marketing message, this rolling block is on a roll. Hi everybody, I'm Sabine Lenz, the founder of Paper Specs, with your weekly dose of paper inspiration. As the industry-leading digital media network, Captivate provides its clients with the ability to get their marketing message in front of 2 million people every day through the use of digital screens inside elevators. So what better way to emphasize this than literally putting one of those very buildings in the palm of a potential client's hands? That's just what they did, thanks to an ingenious piece of dimensional marketing produced by my friends at Structural Graphics. It's hard to overstate just how impressive this three-dimensional skyscraper is in person, what with its charming illustrations that wrap all the way around it. And with the UV gloss coating applied to the C2S stock, it practically gleams like a real downtown office building at sunrise. Designed by Eric Luan and offset printed CMYK by Structural Graphics, the only text featured on the outside are the words, "We've turned the world's premier office buildings into your brand's premier marketing opportunity," printed in a blue that matches the color scheme of the architectural details. So far, so beautiful, but isn't it about time for a surprise or two? Tugging gently on the right side of the building opens it like a book that has been held securely closed by one of 4 concealed magnets. The first detail to be revealed is a photo of people in an elevator gazing at one of the company's screens, along with a soft, to-the-point explanation of the benefits Captivate provides. But wait, there's more. Another tug releases another magnetic closure and unrolls the building further, revealing additional reasons for going with the Captivate system. And this is when the truth begins to dawn. This 3D building is actually a traditional brochure, a roll fold to be precise. But the impression that this 3D building makes is just so much more powerful. Even more impressive is the level of detail on display here, especially the way that each side of the interior building includes a continuation of the building's illustration as it is unrolled. The sheer sturdiness of the piece is another admirable feature. It subtly communicates the integrity of the marketing company and is achieved through the use of 8-point C2S stock and 8 pieces of foam that are hidden inside each section of the building, all hand assembled. This piece is so astounding in person, it's hard to imagine any potential client receiving it and not immediately giving it pride of place on the desk or nearby shelf. With its surprises, dimensionality, and focus on the single message, this rolling block is on a roll, and an inspiring lesson to building interest through the use of print's interactivity. Did you enjoy this video? Then please subscribe to our channel. Of course, it would be amazing if you shared with all your friends. And keep sending me your fabulous printed pieces. I love to feature them.